The foldable e-bike space has been growing steadily, and it makes sense why. Riders want a mix of strength, portability, and value in something that's easy to store or carry around. But once you start looking at models priced under $1,500, the choices stack up fast. So we're making it easier. We're taking a closer look at what actually sets these e-bikes apart. Not just the listed specs, but how they handle on real streets, what they're like to live with, and the sensible compromises that come with each of the 7 top folding e-bikes available today. Actbest Mars. Well, starting with a ride that feels less like a chore and more like a chance to explore, and the Actbest Mars feels built for adventure right from the first pedal. We tested it across city streets and light trails, and it showed real strength. The 1200-watt peak motor delivers about 70 Newton-meters of torque and hits up to 28 miles per hour, which gives quick pickup with steady control. The hydraulic front fork does a good job over bumps, though without rear suspension, rough gravel or cracked pavement feels a bit firm. Still, the 20x3-inch fat tires keep it balanced and sure-footed on uneven paths. Its battery setup is practical. A key turns it on or lets you remove it, and you can also charge it directly through the built-in port. Once powered, pressing and holding the M button on the display puts the bike in full electric mode, and there are 5 assist levels to choose from. We have found its display very simple with plus and minus buttons for mode control, and shows speed, assist, and battery info. And the 48-volt 10.4 amp-hour pack locks firmly, has its own charge indicator. We got around 55 miles on pedal assist, which easily covers daily commutes or long rides. There's also dual lights, disc brakes, and Shimano 7-speed gears for safety and smooth control. The foldable frame and seat make storage easy, and though it weighs about 69.4 pounds, it fits riders from 5 feet 0 inches to 6 feet 5 inches, which covers most people. From our test, the Actbest Mars feels like a solid all-rounder, quick, foldable, and genuinely practical. And right now, it's priced at $529 for Halloween, before it returns to $599. Now, speaking of heavy hitters, you absolutely cannot talk about folding e-bikes without mentioning Lectric. The new Lectric XP 4 is the upgraded version of their iconic model, which has been the bike of choice for over 400,000 riders. And this isn't a minor update. The biggest news is the in-house designed torque sensor. This is big for Lectric, delivering incredibly smooth and intuitive power, moving it away from simple cadence sensors and into that high-end natural ride feel. The frame is fully redesigned now. It features a full-color TFT display, and they've upgraded to 602 hydraulic brakes, a fantastic addition for stopping power. You can even get an upgraded version with a more powerful 750-watt motor and a longer-range 17.5 amp-hour battery, which will push your range up to 85 miles. It's still the travel-sized folder everyone loves, just packed with premium features. But Lectric isn't the only one chasing high value. Take the Ride1Up Portola, for example. This bike is a masterclass in packing performance into a sleek, minimalist package. The performance numbers it shows are hard to ignore. 28 miles per hour on pedal assist and 20 on throttle, powered by a 750-watt geared hub motor with 65 Newton-meters of torque. You have 2 battery options, a 10.4 amp-hour for 20 to 40 miles, or a larger 13.4 amp-hour battery for 30 to 50 miles. What's impressive is the component list. Dual-piston hydraulic brakes with 180mm rotors, an 80mm travel suspension fork with a hydraulic lockout, and an 8-speed Shimano Altus derailleur. It rolls on 20x3-inch puncture-resistant tires. It's lighter at 59 pounds with a generous 342-pound capacity, including a welded rear rack rated for 150 pounds. It's just a stunning value. If you're looking for a bike that blends brute force with smart technology, the Velotric Fold 1 Plus is going to be a fascinating option for you. This e-bike also features a powerful 750-watt rear hub motor, boasting 75 Newton-meters of torque and a top speed of 28 miles per hour. The battery is a powerful 48-volt, 13 amp-hour unit, which gives you 624 watt-hours for a range of up to 68 miles. But the real value is hidden under its sensor swap technology. This lets you choose between a torque sensor for a natural ride or a cadence sensor for effortless cruising, all in one bike. It also comes with hydraulic disc brakes and a 60mm hydraulic suspension fork. The tech continues with a 3.5-inch full-color display with Bluetooth, app integration, and even Apple Find My support. Plus, the rear light includes brake indicators and turn signals. With a massive 450-pound load capacity, this is a high-tech hauler that you can consider buying. Of course, it's impossible to ignore one of the biggest names in the e-bike world, Rad Power Bikes, and their entry is the RadExpand 5+. This bike is all about refining the folding experience with a major focus on comfort. The biggest upgrade here is the introduction of a torque sensor, which completely changes the game for Rad's folder. It makes the pedal assist feel incredibly natural and responsive to your effort. It's powered by a solid 48-volt, 15-amp-hour battery, giving you 720 watt-hours of capacity for excellent range. It features hydraulic disc brakes for strong stopping power, a front suspension fork to soak up bumps, and a reliable 7-speed drivetrain. What sets the RadExpand apart is its sturdy build, integrated rear rack that's capable of hauling kids, and included fenders. It's a comfortable and reliable daily driver that just happens to fold away. For those who want a bike that feels more like a rugged, all-in-one machine, the Mokwheel Slate is a strong contender. This one also uses a torque and cadence sensor combo, which gives you that smooth, natural pedaling feel. The motor is rated at 500 watts continuous but peaks at 860 watts with over 70 Newton-meters of torque. So it has plenty of climbing power. It can hit 25 miles per hour on pedal assist. The battery is a large 48-volt, 15-amp-hour unit, which is great for a range of up to 60 miles. It's equipped with Logan hydraulic brakes and an 80mm travel front fork. A few unique features really stand out. The high-definition display is detachable, which is great for security, and it has an integrated turn signal in the taillight. At 64 pounds, with a 350-pound payload capacity, it's a very capable package. Finally, if your main priority is just raw, unapologetic power in a folding frame, the Heybike Mars 2.0 demands your attention. This thing is really powerful. You can get it with either a 750-watt or a 1,000-watt motor, and that 1,000-watt version can peak at a massive 1,800 watts with 100 Newton-meters of torque. This e-bike is fast, capable of hitting over 30 miles per hour. It's a true all-terrain folder thanks to its chunky 20x4-inch fat tires and a spring fork with 65mm of travel. The battery is a 600-watt-hour unit, offering a max range of about 45 miles. It comes with a Shimano 7-speed, a rear rack, and fenders. It is the heaviest bike on our list at 75 pounds, but has a 330-pound weight limit. If you want to blast up hills, this is your power-focused portable. So, from high-tech torque sensors to raw throttle power, the sub-$1,500 folding market is packed with incredible options. No matter if you want a natural ride, a powerful hauler, or a smart commuter, there's a bike here for you. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more e-bike showdowns. Ride safe.